To fix a non-working Lennox heater, several potential causes should be considered. Firstly, power supply issues may be the culprit, in which case, ensuring the heater is plugged in and the power is turned on is essential. Additionally, checking the circuit breaker for blown fuses and replacing them if necessary can resolve the issue. Another possible cause is a disrupted gas supply or a closed valve, which can be resolved by confirming the gas valve to the heater is open and checking the home's main gas supply for any disruptions. A malfunctioning motor belt and blower can also prevent the heater from working, often characterized by a high-pitched noise. In this case, checking the belt for wear and replacing it if necessary, or replacing the blower if it is not spinning, can fix the issue. A faulty control board may also be the cause, in which case inspecting it for damage and consulting the user manual for specific error codes is necessary. If the control board is damaged, it may need to be replaced by a professional. A dirty flame sensor can also prevent the heater from working, as it fails to detect the presence of a flame. To clean the flame sensor, the heater and power supply should be turned off, and fine sandpaper can be used to gently clean it. If the problem persists, replacing the sensor may be necessary. Finally, a clogged air filter can restrict airflow, preventing the heater from working. To rectify this, the heater should be turned off, and the air filter removed and cleaned. Regular maintenance is essential to prevent future blockages and keep the Lennox heater functional. By following these steps, a non-working Lennox heater can be fixed, and its functionality restored.